All right, so Sean Russell here with me. Second round, fortunately fell to Ryan Milhouf of Oklahoma, the number 5 seed, 1-0, but you can take a lot of positives out of it. The number 5 seed only beat you by 1 point, so what were some of your tactics going into the match?
I've known Ryan a long time. We go way back. I didn't look at it like I was outmatched. I think I can win that match. I got to do more in the first 2 periods. That's all I got on that.
Was there anything going through your mind during the third period? Was there any rush for you to try to conjure something up?
Yeah, definitely. I got on a couple of tags. Didn't finish quick enough. It's my fault, man.
So do you think you were more offensive or defensive minded?
I think I was more offensive minded, but I got to get more going in the first couple periods rather than waiting to the third.
So, but the big important thing is you'll be here at least for one more day tomorrow. So your thoughts on Friday?
Got to have a good day tomorrow. Got to smash through the backside of the bracket and make some noise back there. Got to come prepared and have short-term memory.
Very good. We'll see you tomorrow, Sean.
Thanks, man.